Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best toys and gift ideas for 12-year-old boys that you should buy. Let's do started. Number 5. Spike Ball 3-Ball Kit. It is similar to volleyball, though it uses a much smaller ball and a to turn the ball to the central net, with a team that is unable to return the ball giving their opponents a point. It comes with extra features like a rule book and an app that you can use to connect with other players. Encourages physical activity. Can adjust level of difficulty. Social interaction. Number 4. Altair Aqua RC Boat. The O. With speeds of up to 18 miles per hour and a self-righting feature that helps keep the boat upright, this boat provides the thrill of tricks and racing for a fairly wide age range of kids to adults. For parents worried about safety. No assembly necessary out of the box. Out of range and low battery alarms. Easy to understand instructions are. Number 3. Dokic Darts Magnetic Dartboard. Forget the sharp, dangerous tips of the darts included with the typical dartboard. Offering all the fun of darts without any of the risks. As an added benefit, this best toy for 12-year-old boys helps your son practice his hand-eye coordination. Encourages social behaviors. Improves hand-eye coordination. Darts are well balanced. Number 2. Lego Technic. This is not your average Lego building set. This could be the perfect gift to get him off video games for a while. This 135-piece set builds an intricately designed car featuring wide black rims and low-profile tires, a sturdy front bumper, and a giant rear spoiler. Encourages working with hands. Complete with pullback motor. Hours of fun. Number 1. Altair 818 Hornet Beginner Drone. The Altair 818 Hornet is an advanced drone in terms of feet. It comes with a wide-angle 720p high-definition camera for stills and video. 120 degrees wide-angle 720p high. Solid 15-minute flight time per battery. 1-button takeoff and landing. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.